Namaste, Namaskara. I'm Matthew, your stock market teacher, and in this video, I'm going to educate you how to trade in the newly listed stock Nuvoco Vistas. Right? Let me tell you, they say that the 90% of the traders fail in the markets, okay, and there is a reason for that. But what also that means is 10% of them make a good sum of money in the markets. And the reason is pretty simple. They have a system in place. They have a certain character that they display when they come to the markets. All right. So you need to have a plan in the markets before you jump into the markets. Okay. You do not want to give your hard earned money to someone out there, okay, who is well prepared, who is well planned, and who has a system to play. All right. I'm sharing with you my 14 years of trading experience and how to look at the stocks before you jump in. I started this channel recently, and a humble request, please do subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and do not forget to click on the like button because it will help me reach out to many individuals who are interested to trade and learn how to go about in the stock market. All right, so let's just dive in now and understand what are we looking at, or what am I looking at Nuvoco Vistas stock. All right, just look at the stock price. All right, so now this is your Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited, okay, in NSE. All right, this is your daily time frame. This is your daily time frame. All right, and this is your trading view charting tool. I have made a video on how to use trading view charting tool. I have made it very simple for everybody to understand how to navigate through this tool, okay, and it's very beneficial, and this is called as the price action. I have made a video on price action as well, how the price action works in the market. Please do go and watch those videos. You will learn a lot about the markets. All right, so let's just understand what is presently happening. Okay, what's presently happening in Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited share price. Now this is your daily time frame that is looking at, so you don't have much data because this stock got listed 23rd August 21, that is yesterday. All right, and it listed, okay, at 485 levels, and after listing at 485 levels, it moved up, okay, all the way up to 550 levels, and it closed at 530 levels. So this is what happened in yesterday's price action on Nuvoco Vistas Corporation. All right, now since you don't have much data in regards to this price action, how do I play about this particular stock? Okay, is it good to enter? Is it good to hold the stocks? Now many of you might have got allotted the shares. Many of you must be already holding. If you have not already booked your profits, you must be already holding, or many of you must be interested to enter this particular stock. Okay, so this video is for you guys, okay, how to go about understanding this particular price action. So this is what we had yesterday's data. Now this is presently what is happening in today's price action. The market's open. All right, so you can see the price moved past above this level, okay, moved past above this level, but you can see this long upper wick here. Okay, you see this long upper wick here. This shows that there was a selling which was more dominant than buying. That's why you see this long upper wick, and you see the price going around the lower levels now. Okay, since I don't have much data here, so what I would like to do in this case is I would like to go to my 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour, whichever you're comfortable with, okay, and see what is happening presently. Okay, what is happening presently. Now here, if you see, this is a 30-minute time frame. On 30-minute time frame here, when Nuvoco got listed yesterday around this level, it moved up, it came back down to this level. Okay, it came back down to this level here. Okay, and it took a support around this level, and the price bounced up. Okay, and the price bounced up here. All right, now the price has come back to this level on this 30-minute chart, but it is going below that. That means, see, now on a 30-minute chart, the candlestick is not yet completed. We have 5 more minutes. It's 1:10, so we have 1:15. The 30-minute candlestick will get completed. We need to watch out for. So we need to see what is going to happen here. Now this is a kind of weakness presently in the intraday. It is showing that the this particular support on the 30-minute is breaking. So this shows as weakness. That means the buyers are presently not getting into this particular stock as of now. Okay, as of now. So what's the future for the stock? Let's understand that. Okay. Now, first thing, let's go back to the daily chart here. Now, those of you who have been allocated, okay, allotted this share, what is your plan? You need to ask yourself. Okay, do you plan on booking your profits which you're already in? All right. Do you want to hold on to this stock for a medium to longer term? Okay, or do you want to wait and watch for a few more days and see what is the price action all about? So you need to watch this video till the end, and do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. All right, so now here what is happening here is the price is showing a kind of resistance around these levels. Okay, so around these levels the price is showing resistance, 550 to 565 levels. It is showing resistance. Okay, now the price, since it's just 2 days price action, you might see a price, say for example around this level, the price might take a support around this level. Okay, 500 to 510 levels. Okay, and it might just go into a kind of a consolidation here. Okay, it might go into kind of a consolidation here, and after getting into a kind of a consolidation, it might bounce up from this level. Okay, it might bounce up from this level. That's one uh, kind of price action to look out for. The other one is it might come to this level. Okay, take a support around this level. Okay, take a support around these levels. Okay, 500 to 510 levels, and then bounce higher back to these levels here. Okay, bounce higher back to these levels. Okay, so the expectation on Nuvoco Vistas Corp Limited share price in the coming days is it might take a support, bounce up higher from these levels. Okay, and it could go, in few days time it could go into a trading range. Okay, that's one way. Or what it might do is it might go up to this particular level here. Okay, this particular level here. All right, and it might go into a kind of a consolidation here and then break out from this level. So if Nuvoco comes to this level, okay, and does not go down but it consolidates from this level here, okay, then and then it breaks out, then that means big moves are coming in future for Nuvoco. Okay, big moves are coming in future for Nuvoco. Another thing is, okay, it might keep going down from this level instead of taking support. Okay, instead of taking support, it might come to this level here. Okay, it might come to this level here. Okay, and then find a kind of support here, because this is, you see here, there's a big push from this price level. So it might, you might see a, some buyers getting into the stock at this particular level. Okay, if it comes to this level, now say for example, it's not going to hold, stop here, okay, and go up from there, but rather in the coming days it might come from this level. This is another signal here for a low risk entry to be made on this stock, provided you find some kind of buying coming into this stock. See, everything deals with the price action, so you need to see when the price comes to this level, don't immediately jump in. You need to wait for the market to show you if there is some kind of buying coming in. Only then, so you need to look out for some kind of pin bar, or you need to look out for some consolidation to happen and then breakout, on you need to see for some kind of bullish candlesticks, buying candlesticks to happen here, and then enter into the trade. If that happens here, okay, if there is some kind of buying here, then you could see Nuvoco getting back, okay, to these levels here, and you could look at a low risk, okay, big reward potential here around 15% here, because see, everything has to be played with the risk management, with the stop loss. So if you don't have a risk management, if you don't want a stop loss, then you should not be entering into any kind of a trade. Okay, right? So that's another approach you can look at. The third one is, say for Nuvoco, for example, it breaks down here. Okay, it breaks, it comes, and it just goes below it. Just watch the price action. Okay, if it keeps continuing, that is a kind of weakness showing that the buyers are not interested in this stock. Okay, and it might go down and then come back, retest this particular support level here, resistance level, because support once broken, it changes into resistance, tends to act as a resistance, and then go beyond that. Okay, it just keeps going down, or it could go down from here and it could come back here, it could come to this level here. Okay, it could consolidate here for some time duration and then break down. Okay, and then break down, that's a sign of weakness again, that the buyers are not interested, and you need to be looking at coming out of this particular stock. Okay, but let me tell you, this is not an investment idea. This is an educational video. This channel is to provide education to the interested individual who want to learn about the stock market. All right, so different ways to play the market. It could find support around 500 to 510 levels and bounce from that level, come back here, face resistance. All right, it could, come to 500 levels, 510 levels, bounce up, go into consolidation mode, and then break out. If that happens, new highs are coming into this particular stock. Or the price could come down to this support level of the first day, the listing day candlestick, and then bounce up from that level. All right, that's another approach. So you need to have a plan in place for every price action that might set up in future on this particular stock. Right. So you need to look at, the stock, your entries based on the low risk. Okay, that's one of the main parameters a professional looks for. Wait for a low risk stock, low risk entries, all right, and a bigger reward potential. Okay, and be ready to accept the losses, because there is no, if you're not ready to adapt to losses in the markets, but ensure that the losses are small and apply stop losses, have a plan in place. If you're not ready to adapt to the losses in the market, then the market will take out big from you, okay, your hard-earned money. Right, so I hope this video was of help to you. All right, please do subscribe and hit on the bell notification, and do not forget to hit on the like button. I will be coming up with many more videos in future to educate the individuals who are interested to participate in the stock market. Thank you.